and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to take few trades and I will try to explain you all. So if you analyze the market here, this area is a ranging market. Now you can see market is moving like this, so it is a ranging market. Okay, so now if I want to analyze this market, whether to go with the buyers or sellers, I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Why? You can see here this was a previous downtrend, but from this point you can see market is moving like this in this range. So now candle closed here at the level. So I'm also seeing here that this is the buyers area and I'm seeing here a rejection, so therefore market can go up easily. So let's see what happens here. Our entry point is very good and our prediction is only for the bullish candlestick. So let's see. Okay, market is getting the rejection because buyers are here, strong buyers are here, so it can get a rejection again. Okay, so I won my trade here. Luckily I won this trade, so no issues. Okay, I need to analyze the market here. Okay, so I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction with the margin of safety. Now you can see here the previous trend was a bearish momentum. Now I'm seeing here a new high, so it means that there should be a buyer's entry, so it is a safe zone to take your trade. Now you can see market is going up, so therefore we can easily win this trade. Okay, so let's analyze another market here. Okay, so now you can see. Okay, so I won this trade. Now if I want to analyze the market here, okay, if the candle goes up, I'm going to take my trade here in a down direction, so I'm waiting for a good entry point. This is my entry point, so let's see if the candle changes its color. So I'm going to take my trade now. For me this entry point is very good entry point, so this bearish momentum will continue here because buyers are waiting here. So candle is still not touching this area, so therefore it will get a rejection and it has to go down. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is coming down. Okay, so now you can see here market is going down here and it closed here as a bearish. So let's analyze another market here. Okay, so I need to check the level here, so I can go here with the sellers. So I have taken my trade here in a down direction and my entry point is a bit late, but my prediction is only for the bearish candlestick. This candle has to close as a bearish because this candle is making a new low here, and right now I'm not seeing any kind of level here, so therefore the candle has to go down. So let's see what happens here. Yes, we are safe in this zone. I need to check the level here. Yes, still I am safe, so market will go and close as a bearish. Okay, so again I won my trade. So this is how we can take trades and this is how we can easily win our trades. You can see here I took this trade and here the time was 23:21. So here the time was 23:22. Now you can see here this is the time. So the third trade 23:23 and the fourth trade was 23.24. so you saw here that I took 4 trades in 4 minutes. So if you learn that how to read the candlestick, how to see the reversal zone, how to see the continuation signs, how to see the trend, how to see the momentum, so it will be an easy task for you to predict the candles like how I am predicting the candles. So you can see here I took my trade here in an up direction. Market gave me this winning trade because of my entry point. Now you can see here the market is a ranging market. Now what I am seeing here, I am seeing here a rejection and low. So here you can see that we are seeing here a rejection, so it is also making a new low. So because of that I took my trade here in a down direction, so therefore we won that trade. So let me show you the next one. Okay, so here if you analyze the market here, let me show you the trade here. Now you can see I took my trade here in an up direction. Why? Because you can see here market reversed here by making this formation, and after that I am seeing here an engulfing a new high and there was no level. So now you can see the next level is here. So therefore the market reversed strongly, so therefore I took my trade and I won that one. So let me show you here why I took this trade. Now if you analyze the market here, you can easily see that from this area you are seeing here a bearish momentum, again bearish momentum. Next level was here, this was the next level. Okay, so still if you analyze the market like this, still this candle is having a bit gap, so therefore next candle again broke the level. So here the momentum broke and market went down from this point. Okay, so here I want to show you my last trade. So in this zone you can see easily, if I want to show you here, this candle is making a reversal, it is making a new, you can see level is here. So now therefore I went this candlestick and I won my trade. And if you analyze the market here, you can see market is taking a U-turn. Let me show you here, this is a U-turn. Okay, so now you can see this is a U-turn. So market is making a U-turn here, so this time we can expect here also a bearish momentum like this. Market can come down and the next level is here. This area is our next level, so we focus on this. So this is how we can take our trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. And because of the electricity issue, I am using right now the media player to explain you all the trades. Otherwise I was explaining the trades, and you can see here this is not that much hard how much we think. So try to understand the things, what I am doing in the market and which things I want to tell you. So again, thanks for your appreciation, and I am getting members more and more in my group, so thanks for that. And my main aim is to give you what you really deserve. So try to share each and everything. Don't hide the things with each other. If you are getting in new things, always explain, always communicate with other members. So kindly again, I am asking and I am requesting you all to help each other, because you are the one who can help the others. So try to help them all and try to help each and every individual member of the group. So I can do this, but there is a time issue with me. Hardly I can give time to, I think, 20 to 30 minutes to this trading, but I am making for you all these videos with the aim to give you some kind of good knowledge that will help you in the future, that will help you in your trading, because you all joined the trading. So therefore I need to help you all, because I know if you don't know the things, you will definitely suffer a big losses. So I don't want you to be in loss, I want you all to be in profit. So have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now, and kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now.